Hi, I'm Carson Pecot. I'm a junior studying public relations with a double minor in business and political science here at UNC. There are tons of ways to get around campus. Besides driving to class, you can crawl, especially if you're tired and you just need to get those attendance points. Walking is another popular choice. It takes about 18 minutes from Kepner to Candelaria. Yes, we did time it. Or you could also run. Just kidding, there's no way that's gonna happen.
I'm not doing that.
Or, if the dining hall is about to close, you can do some hardcore parkour to make it just in time. Another great option is to bike, and if you don't have your own, well, Outdoor Pursuits rents them out to students for free. You can also use the free Boomerang Shuttle, which takes you back and forth between Gunter Hall and Michener Library in about 10 minutes. By the way, here's the Boomerang schedule. And if you're not sure about any of these options, you can just hitch a ride on a passing golf cart. The driver will definitely appreciate that. Thanks for watching, Bears. I hope this video gave you some new ideas about getting around on campus. See you around!